Right guys, I hope you can hear me okay. It's a little bit windy up here, and by up here I mean, I'll spin the camera around if it'll work. There we go. Up the top of Glen Shee. So this is somewhere different for me. I've never actually been here before, but funnily enough, I'm not here touristing. Coming up in the next videos, or one of the next videos, what is below the cover? Big question, but I mean, all I can say so far is that it's not blue, it's not red, but it is yellow. So let me jump in the cab so you can definitely hear me. That's better, out of the wind. But yeah, stay tuned to find out what that is coming up on the channel in the very near future.